morning, all of you. My dear student, today we are going to discuss about the types of chemical reaction. In this, we will discuss about displacement reactions. We have already discussed about combination reaction, decomposition reaction, and what is chemical equation, chemical reaction, how to balance a chemical equations. Today is a very important topic, that is displacement reaction. My dear student, it will repeat in the coming chapter also, like acid and base and salt and metals and non-metals. So this chapter is very important. So we keep in mind. Now let us discuss about displacement reactions. Okay. Suppose a chemical compound AB combined with C to form CD and E. What happened in this case? Here C is more reactive than A. That's why it will remove or replace A and take over it. So it becomes C and it separate. So more reactive elements displace less reactive element from their compounds. So that is called displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, more reactive element displaces less reactive element from their salts or any salt solution. Two or more maybe. Now let's take an example. Copper sulfate react with iron to form ferrous sulfate and copper. Here copper sulfate, we have to take copper sulfate in a test tube which is blue in aqueous form, it form blue in color. जब हम कॉपर सल्फेट को टेस्ट ट्यूब में लेंगे वो ब्लू कलर का होगा. Now take iron nail, put on it for sometimes. For sometimes you put iron nail in the copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate aqueous form में है. Now observe what happened. After some time you will find that the color, blue color, changes to light green in color. What does it mean? There is a chemical reaction taking place because the color is changed. Now what happened here? Here iron is more reactive than copper. It displaces the copper. Copper को displace कर देता and then it forms ferrous sulfate. And ferrous sulfate is light greenish in color. That's why the solution becomes light green in color. And the reddish brown color substance, that is copper. Copper का जो wire रहता है वो reddish brown color का ही होता है. Yes. So reddish brown color substance deposited over the iron nail. That means a reaction taking place. That is displacement reaction. More reactive element displace less reactive element from reaction. Very simple. But it displacement reverse, it cannot be reversed. अगर ferrous sulfate और copper को react कराएगा तो क्या copper sulfate and iron बनेगा? No, never. Because it is not reversed. Because copper is less reactive than iron. It will not displace. So my dear student, very interesting. Similar. Take another example. Copper react with silver nitrate to form silver chloride and copper chloride and silver. What happened? Copper is more reactive than silver. That's why it replace silver from this salt, that is silver nitrate, and form copper chloride and silver. Here सिल्वर को सेपरेट करने के लिए डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन का ही यूज किया जाता है इन डेली लाइफ टू सेपरेट सिल्वर फ्रॉम एनी कंपाउंड. अर्थ में बहुत सारे कंपाउंड हैं, इसमें सिल्वर प्रेजेंट हो सकता है. दैट कैन बी सेपरेटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ another example that is a very interesting and important chemical reaction. That is iron third oxide, Fe2O3. Iron का 3 ऑक्साइड हो गया. Iron has 3 oxide. Which one? That is FeO, iron second oxide, Fe2O3 iron third oxide. The combination will form Fe3O4 iron. This is second oxide and this is third oxide. Iron second, third oxide. बैलेंसिंग है केमिकल इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करने के लिए यही एग्जांपल दिया गया. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So iron oxide has three types of oxide: iron second oxide, third oxide, and iron second, third oxide. Yeah, second, third. Understand? Variable valencies. They have variable valencies. That's why these compounds are formed like this. Now let's discuss this example. Iron third oxide react with aluminum to form aluminum oxide and iron, which is in liquid state, molten state. A lot of heat energy is released. This is also a type of displacement reaction. Here, aluminum displaces iron and take its position, that is Al2O3, and iron separated. तो इस केमिकल रिएक्शन में अल्युमिनियम आयरन को सेपरेट करता है, लेकिन इस डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन में लॉट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी रिलीज होती है. इन दैट लॉट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी able to melt the iron. इतना हीट एनर्जी, ट्रेमेंडस अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी रिलीज होता है कि वो आयरन को मेल्ट कर सकता है. That heat is responsible for melting of iron. Remember, when you heat the iron rod, it will become red, but they never melt. Melt नहीं होता है, लाल हो जाएगा. Interesting, that is chemical reaction, and this is used for welding purpose. In a crack, welder, what the welder is doing? Simple, this chemical reaction process happening. वेल्डिंग जब किया जाता है उसमें आयरन को मोल्टेन स्टेट में पिघलाकर लोहे को जोड़ने का काम दैट केमिकल रिएक्शन है. इसको एल्यूमिनोथर्मी भी कहा जाता है. दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एल्यूमिनोथर्मी बिकॉज एल्युमिनियम इज यूज्ड. एंड इसको इस रिएक्शन को थर्माइट प्रोसेस भी कहा जाता है. इस केमिकल रिएक्शन को थर्माइट प्रोसेस भी कहा जाता है बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी इज रिलीज्ड व्हिच एबल टू मेल्ट iron. So my dear student, in the displacement reaction, for any reaction to take place, most reactive element displaces the less reactive element. For this, you must remember the arrangement of metal according to their reactivity, and that is called reactivity series. Reactivity series is what? It is the arrangement of metal according to their reactivity. Means which are more reactive, which are less reactive. ज़्यादा reactive कौन है, less reactive कौन है, उसके आधार पर उसको arrange किया गया है. That is called reactivity series. This is like this. पोटेशियम, सोडियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्युमिनियम, जिंक, आयरन, लेड, हाइड्रोजन, कॉपर है, मरकरी, सिल्वर है, gold. And this is the most, potassium is the most reactive and gold is the least reactive. प्लैटिनम रख दो तो और भी least reactive हो जाएगा. So this is the reactivity series. You see, iron is here, copper is here. Copper नीचे, iron ऊपर. इसीलिए आयरन कॉपर को हटाता है क्योंकि रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में ऊपर. So you must remember this reactivity series. If you do not remember this reactivity series, then how can you come to understand that displacement reaction is going or not? मान लो एग्जाम में दे दिया गया कि complete the chemical reactions और आपको रिवर्स कर दिया गया. FeSO4 plus Cu दे दिया गया और एरो देके पूरा के complete the chemical reaction, then you will able to do? No. How can you come to know? By knowing the reactivity series. If you do not know about the idea of reactivity series, then how can you classify And how can you react the chemical reactions? For this purpose, reactivity series is the most important concern. कैसे बच्चों याद करोगे? How to learn? कालू नाक का माली आलू जरा पीते पकाता है. कालू नाक का माली आलू जरा पीते पकाता है. अब बाकी अपने से बना भाई, बाकी अपने से बनाइए. So this is the clue. This is the trick to how to learn. So I hope you understand well. In the next class, we will discuss about double displacement reactions. Thank you for have a nice day to you today.